Yes, welcome to Chris Brain tutorial. We'll be working on how to generate the almighty formula, the general formula of equation, quadratic equation. This is the form of quadratic equation. We use this to generate or derive the almighty formula or the general quadratic formula using completing the square method. I know most of you are running away completing the square method, but watch out. Let's take it step by step on how to do that. So from here, this is a quadratic equation. Reason, because the variable which is x has the highest degree variable or highest degree power in this form is 2. So the power of x, the highest power of x is 2, and that's what makes it a quadratic equation. So now, solving with completing the square method. First, I will collect like terms, and collecting like terms is letting the constant c to cross equality sign. And so doing, I will have ax squared plus bx to be equal to, when plus c cross equality sign, I will have negative c. Then after, I will divide all or divide through by the coefficient of x squared, which is a. Dividing through by a, here at this point, a will cancel a to have what? 1. Leaving me the equation to be x squared plus bx over a to be equal to minus c over a. At this point, I would love and like you to share this video, like, if you have any steps that you didn't follow up, quickly touch the comment section, drop your question. I will see you there. And most importantly, subscribe for more. Then, at this point, the next step in completing the square method is to add to the both sides the half square of the coefficient of x. Adding to the both sides the half square, look here, I will have half of the coefficient of x, which is b over a, all squared. At this point, half in multiplication of is times. So I will times this and this to have b over 2a all squared. So I will adopt this and add it to the two sides of the equation. So have my equation to be x squared plus b over 2a all squared to be equal to minus c over a plus b over 2a all squared. So when you watch to these two times, they have the same squares. So at this point, I can collect their squares to have x plus b over 2a all squared to be equal to minus c over a plus. In indices, when fractions are sharing the same power, they will be evenly distributed to this, to the fractions, to have b, we take the square to be b squared over 2a all squared. At this point, I will have minus c over a plus b squared over 2 squared is 4, a squared will give me a squared. Then I will have, when two fractions are separated by plus or minus, the very good thing you must do is to find their LCM of the denominator. And the LCM of the denominator gives me what? 4a squared. When a divided 4a squared, it left with what? 4a. Because I'm having two a's here. And when one a divides, it remains 1. So I will have it to be 4a times the numerator, which is minus c, will give me minus 4 4ac plus, when this divide this will give me 1, I will have b squared. At this point, I will have still my x plus b over 2a all squared to be equal to my denominator to still be 4a squared. But at this point, it is not better to have negative in the front of a fraction. So I will rearrange. By rearranging, I will have b squared minus 4ac. So now, all our target here is to make the variable, the unknown, the subject, because in a quadratic equation, the question is find the values of x. Taking the square root of the both sides, remember, square root comes with plus or minus. Therefore, I will have, and square will cancel square root to have x plus b over 2a to be equal to plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 4a squared. Then I will have x plus b over 2a to be equal to plus or minus square root of. Now at this point, I will share the square root. 1 will go up for b squared minus 4ac, and the other one will be for 4 and a squared. So that I will have this to be plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over square root of 4 and square root of a squared. I will have plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over. Square root of 4 is 2, and square will cancel square root to have me a. So at the denominator, I'm having 2a. The other side is still x plus b over 2a. Remember that at this point, these two are separated by plus, so I will collect like terms. But to have b over 2a to cross equality sign, I will have my x to be equal to minus b over 2a plus or minus square root of 4b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. When you look at this point, you observe that these are two fractions separated by plus or minus. Remember, initially I told you that when two fractions are separated, you find their LCM. And to this point also, we are to get the LCM. And what is the LCM of 2a and 2a? The LCM of 2a and 2a is still 2a. And when 2a divides 2a, it will give me 1. 1 times minus b will give me minus b. Plus or minus square root of 2a divides 2a is 1. 1 times this gives me b squared minus 4ac. And when you look at this, you will confirm that this is the almighty formula you know. Thank you.